It is absolutely crowded in here. Idea. This is it. That's that Panera Bread. You can just come right here on the corner, and we have a washer and dryer laundromat for you on the corner. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are here in Newark, New Jersey, in the Brick City. If you're from here, you probably pronounce it Newark. We are on Broad Street, which the new name is Kenneth A. Gibson Avenue, Street, Boulevard. They normally name it Boulevard, man, when they name it after somebody. We're here at a brand new spot called Panera Bread. Yo, it is absolutely crowded. That baby. Some of you guys, especially out west, know what Panera Bread is, and we're gonna check out their Chicken Fiesta. Hold on, let me check this. It's called Spicy Fiesta Chicken. It's in the bag. The wait, man, there's been people coming in and out of here continuously, man. The place has been packed. I had some friends that came over from an office building, and they said they called their order in like a half hour ahead of time. They still had to wait. I only waited for about 20 minutes tops. Let's see what this Panera Bread is all about. I got the chips, right? Some people be like, yo, you get free chips with it. But these chips, hey, how you doing? But these chips were not free because I paid for this. Check this out, man. I got a half, that right there. Some of y'all gonna be saying it look really small. It feels really small. Look at this, man. I just wanna show y'all the size of my hand, and then maybe like this. This is considered a half, not a whole. It came to $9.16 for it. Let's check it out. It's been heated too, man. I feel the heat from this sandwich. Hold on, here we go. I got extra mayo because y'all know I love mayo. Had to get the extra mayo, right? Let's check out this sandwich. Check it out. First, I'm gonna like give you guys a little tip over. Look like this. We're gonna do it like this, and then I'm gonna pull it out. All right. Let's pull out this Panera Bread sandwich right here. This is it. That's that Panera Bread sandwich. Look at it like this. Hold on, it's dropping. It's dropping. I want you guys to see inside, man. Can I lift it up? Hold up. Look at this. It's a lot of stuff going on in there. Extra mayo. Ooh, I just dropped a piece of my chicken. Y'all know I'm mad. Hold up. Y'all don't be telling me when something on my mouth. Hold up. Let me see if I got napkins. Oh, I got napkins, y'all. There are napkins in the bag. I got my napkins. The first thing I noticed is the freshness of the bread. That's the very first thing. I didn't taste any spices at first. I mean, it was tasting, I taste spices, but hot spice, until just now, it was like a little, it tastes like a jalapeno just hit me, right? We gotta look, if I could look up the ingredients, man, we're gonna post the ingredients right here. But there's definitely some bell peppers on here. They look like red peppers. There's some corn in here. Oh, wow, this is pretty cool, yo. Somebody playing their music. They gotta turn their music off, man. This is really good. Now I see why people are waiting online for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Really good. And it's a little messy, sloppy, like I like it. I'm talking about sandwiches, y'all. Come on, y'all. It's filling too. At first, when I initially looked at it, I said, that's a small sandwich. But it's definitely a filling sandwich. I don't know if they put the bread on a press But see the brownness right there? Can y'all see that brownness? It looked like they pressed it to heat it up. I would have loved to have gone behind the counter to see what was going on. They have some type of bacon sandwich because they were preparing or they were pulling off some cooked bacon. Seems like everything is fresh back there. Seems like they're making their own bread back there. That's that processed chicken. Oh, it tastes good. I want to know more about Panera Bread now. What's their process? Because you can't easily see behind the counter. Look, I told you there's some pieces of corn here. Like I said, I'm out here on Broad Street. In New Street, right here, next to Whole Foods. Prudential building is back there behind me. Panera Bread is actually in the Prudential building. Or part of that Prudential complex. 2 thumbs up for the Panera Bread sandwich. Ooh, I'm tasting them spices again. Nice. I definitely will come back to Panera Bread. Yo, what up? All right. We're going to finish this sandwich up. It's really nice and spicy right now. What's going on, young man?
What's going on?
You tried Panera Bread yet?
Nah, I'm about to go to the Whole Foods.
Okay.
Unless I get a bite of that one. No.
He said he want a bite. Look. All right, man. Good seeing you. I'm going to finish this off, y'all. Once again, at Panera Bread in Newark, New Jersey. What an amazing city Newark is. That's it. I like these chips. I'm gonna eat these later. I know some of y'all like, eat them chips now. I'm gonna eat them later, man. I'm trying to watch it. I'm trying to keep my fat gut tight. This is my last and final bite. It is delicious. All right, somebody gonna be like, why didn't you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? Scale of 1 to 10? I give it an 8. I'm gonna give this sandwich an 8. It's really good. You know why I know it's delicious? Because I got some crumbs on the bag, and I'm eating these up too. Let's go for a walk. I started to say I've never been to a walk after I've eaten, but I'm about to take all around Newark. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for joining us on Patreon, patreon.com/Matt D.V. Williams. Thanks for hitting that join button and becoming a member of the channel. We appreciate all of y'all. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. We love you, cats. And we'll see you at the next one. We're going to take a walk, though. We're going to walk in the Hain building, and I'm going to go up to my office, and then I'm going to end the video right there. All right, y'all. We still here, man. Look, we're going to go for a walk, like 27 bucks. How you doing? Stopping at the corner, and you have Military Park across the street. And we're going to take a little walk over to Whole Foods. Let's go check out this Whole Foods, y'all. That's the whole Whole Foods building right there. That's not a Whole Foods building. This building is called the Hain building, okay? And I'm about to go in here and edit this video, and so it'll post by tomorrow. So let's walk through Whole Foods, y'all. Or should I walk around back? Let's walk around back. Y'all don't want to go in Whole Foods. This street right here is called New Street. Halsey Street again. Y'all done been with me on Halsey Street a lot. Let's do that slow pan. And if you need to wash your clothes, right? If you need to wash your clothes, you can just come right here on the corner. And we have a washer and dryer laundromat for you on the corner. No, I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's up. I don't know what's up with the laundromat on the corner, y'all, but this is all new to me. They go one of my spots that I love to just go and grab some soup and falafel sometime over at the Green Chickpea. And then you guys have been down this street. I've done lives down here before. Then you got the Vibe Barbecue right there too. Vibe Barbecue. How you doing? Let's go over here and see, let's go and see if the ice cream lady is over here, y'all. Y'all down? Let's go see. Remember the sister we met at the Winter Village? Right? This is her spot right here, the ice cream spot. I don't think there's no one in there right now. It's kind of dark. But they're probably over at the Winter Village, y'all. But there is an ice cream spot down here, ice cream parlor down here. Right there, you just come walk right down the steps here on Halsey Street. And I know Brown Mill too, they be in there working. Brothers be in there sewing and designing clothes, man. Indeed, indeed. All right, here we go. That's it, man. You guys have a beautiful day. Also, it's free meter parking down here too, you guys. You don't have to pay right up until December 12th. Oh, it started December 12th. All right. Let's go edit this video.